Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Yackandandah, Courthouse isn't your ordinary dwelling. This contemporary marvel by Archier pays homage to mid-century design, its clean lines and expansive windows whispering of a bygone era. Yet, Courthouse is resolutely modern, pushing the boundaries of design and living in equal measure. Sustainability sits at the heart of this philosophy. The architects, Archier, have crafted a home that treads lightly on the land. Meticulously placed to maximize solar access, Courthouse captures the sun's energy to power itself, while strategically placed windows ensure natural temperature control throughout the year. This commitment to the environment extends beyond functionality. It's a celebration of the surrounding landscape. Large expanses of glass blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, inviting the beauty of the Australian countryside into the very soul of the home. But Courthouse isn't just about blending in, it's also about standing out thoughtfully. The architects have acknowledged the rich architectural heritage of Yackandandah, weaving subtle nods to the past into the home's modern form. This respectful approach extends to the community itself. The home's low profile and considered placement ensure it integrates seamlessly into the landscape, becoming a responsible addition to the rural tapestry. Connection is another cornerstone of Courthouse's design. The expansive glazing doesn't just showcase the stunning vistas, it fosters a sense of openness within the home. Strategic use of glass walls allows for visual connection between different zones, creating a sense of flow and togetherness. This focus on connection extends outwards as well. Transitional spaces blur the lines between the interior and the surrounding landscape, fostering a deep engagement with the natural world. The result is a home that feels both intimate and expansive. The internal layout prioritizes function, with private and public areas thoughtfully arranged. Every room boasts an active connection to the outdoors, further strengthening the sense of belonging within the landscape. This interplay between the built environment and the natural world creates a powerful sense of nostalgia, a feeling of being rooted in a place and time. Ultimately, Courthouse is a love letter to the land, a testament to the power of responsible and modern living. Archier has masterfully woven together cutting-edge design with respect for the past, creating a home that is both exquisitely detailed and beautifully refined. It's a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, a haven where one can truly reconnect with themselves and the natural world. courthouse challenges us to rethink the way we live. Could a home like this be the future of sustainable architecture? What aspects of courthouse resonated with you the most? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations of innovative design.